Gently, please close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in peace, calmness, and breathe out any kind of tension, worry that you're holding on to. Let your shoulders relax. Let your face soften up. Let your body become still and expansive. There's no kind of pressure or tension. There's nothing to fix here. There's nothing to rush. Just allow yourself to be. Just place your hand on your heart and feel your heart rate coming down to normal. See your body relaxing. You are safe right now. You feel so safe, so expansive. Now gently bring your awareness to money, not the numbers, not the calculation, but the feeling that comes up when you think of money. What feeling starts coming up when you think of money? Is there a tightness in your chest? Is there any kind of a heaviness that you feel anywhere in your body? Is there a restlessness in the mind? What's going to happen? Worry about the expenses. Thoughts about the future. That pressure to earn, that job that you are seeking, that fear that you're holding on to, that it is not enough. Just notice it. Don't try to change it. Don't try to judge it. We're not here to judge anything, not to fix it. We're just allowing that emotion to come up. Let the healing happen naturally. As you stay with this awareness that yes, something happens when I think of money. Something. Energy is not calm. It is not peaceful. You don't feel safe. This awareness itself is consciousness. You're bringing your unconscious to your conscious level to let it release, to let it all go. And then you're telling your subconscious mind, it is safe to receive now. It is safe for me to receive abundance and money. So as you have this awareness, first let's take the 100% responsibility that there's something within us that is blocking this flow to come in naturally, in a rhythm, gracefully. So start by connecting with the divine self within you, your higher self, and say, I take that 100% responsibility for my thoughts and feelings about money. I take that 100% responsibility for the stress I feel every time I think about spending the money, paying bills, my expenses. I fear that the money is not enough. It's just not enough. That pinch, that pressure which comes when I have to pay my bills, small or big, but that thought comes like an unconscious thought and it just goes away. That overthinking about safety, that security, I take that responsibility, that pressure is there within me. that pressure of earning, saving, spending. I take that 100% responsibility for comparing my financial life with the others and always feeling lack. That why am I not supported? Why is it coming easily for someone else? Why am I not supported? I take that responsibility for settling for less, for this fear, and for believing that money is very difficult to come. It's a struggle. For the beliefs that I've held from my childhood that money doesn't grow on trees. Money saved is money earned. Always holding on to this kind of attention. I take that responsibility. See that awareness. Feel that awareness. With awareness, all that is unconscious comes to the conscious level now. You have started becoming aware that something within you is causing this flow to stop. The universe is ready to give, but you are stopping it, thinking you are not worthy enough. I deserve it. Will the universe even give it to me? This is what you are thinking, and that is what is going out. Am I capable? No, life is a struggle. It can't come this easily, also. As you become aware of this pattern of thinking, of these thoughts that you have, let's say sorry. Connect with the divine self and say, I'm really sorry for these thoughts, these worrying thoughts, this tension that I hold about money again and again and again, like a repeated pattern. Every time I think of money, the same thoughts come into my mind. I'm sorry for fearing the expenses, the responsibility, for believing that money will not stay with me. There's so much that I have to do. For doubting my ability to earn more. I'm really, really sorry for having this belief, this pattern within me, for carrying this pressure within me all the time about money. Money is feeling so unsafe to come. I'm sorry that I feel so scared around my finances. All the time I'm overthinking about the future, about that job, about that paycheck, about the bills that are lined up. Never ever believing my ability to earn more, to save more. That money is supporting me. I've had a good life. Never appreciating money. I'm really sorry for this pattern, for not allowing ease with money, that flow with money, that bonding with money, that money loves me. But it's just that I don't trust it. I'm really, really sorry for this pattern, these thoughts, these beliefs that are there within me. See these thoughts and patterns just loosening that grip on you. See it melting, releasing softly. You are becoming aware. And as you're becoming aware, breathe into this pattern, these feelings that you have. And as you breathe out, release it, release the whole and feel it going out. Breathe in that abundance, that confidence that money loves you. And breathe out that feeling of being stuck, fear, doubt, insecurity, lack. It's all going out. It's all going out. Now you have started feeling a little lighter. As you continue to feel lighter, say to the divine self, always have that connection and say, please forgive me. Please forgive me for believing that money is a struggle, for that fear of loss, of struggle, of the beliefs, of the patterns that are passed on from generations. I've seen my parents struggle with money, what they believe with money. These are the things that are deeply, deep rooted in my subconscious mind. And I'm really sorry. Please forgive me for making it true for myself also, for holding on to their stories as my stories. Please forgive me for not trusting you, dear God, that things can change, stories can change, beliefs can be deleted and changed, that money can come easily to me. I'm an abundant divine soul. I'm a blessed soul. Please forgive me for holding on to fears instead, for limiting myself, for putting those stones. Please forgive me for resisting those opportunities or just allowing money to flow in from wherever. But I'm so stuck that this is the way money has to come. Let the divine channels open up. Please forgive me for these thought processes, this fear that I'm holding, doubt and insecurity. See yourself just releasing all these fears. Consciousness is healing. Consciousness is being with this feeling. You're feeling to heal it. And as you feel it, it gets healed, it gets released. As you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Please forgive me for all this. See that divine self within you releasing all these patterns, these thought processes. See yourself relaxing now, becoming so much more calmer, so expansive, ready to now welcome money. You feel safe now. Your body feels safe now. Your nervous system feels safe now. As you feel safe, say to the divine within you or the divinity above, thank you. Thank you so much for this awareness, for helping me release all that is not serving me. Thank you that I know that money wants to support me. All these years, I always thought that money doesn't flow to me easily. Money doesn't like me. But it is my own thoughts that was reaching money. How could it have come easily when I had such thoughts? I now know that money wants to support me. And it can come through different resources. I'm open to receiving money. I trust my skills. I trust my ability. I trust my own self-worth. I'm worthy only because I exist. I don't need to prove anyone anything. I trust myself for making better choices. Thank you, dear God. Thank you, dear money, that now you're ready to flow into my life. There's so much more awareness as to what I have been thinking, what I have been holding now. And I've released it all now. I allow that financial flow to come into my life easily, effortlessly. Everything happens easily and effortlessly. Divine grace just flows. I thank you for this. See yourself expanding with this awareness, with this flow. See that river just flowing, the river of money just flowing through different channels. It's just flowing. There's nothing to stop the river. And as you see that happening, see, I love you. I love you, dear money. You're always here to support me. You've always supported me also. However, my thought processes were, whatever I have thought of you, you were there to support me. And I love you. You have given me the best life, best of educations. I've had the best of skill sets. Thanks to you. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you that you were there even when I was uncertain. Always there, always protecting me. But I never appreciated you. I'm always fearful of you. Now I'm building a beautiful relationship, a lovely friendship. I love you. I love that happiness to come into my life. I feel so calm when I welcome you and when I let you go also. Because I know that you're always going to come back in multiple ways whenever I pay my bills. I feel so happy that wherever you are going, bless that other person also. Because you've blessed me so much. I love you for this. I feel so expansive. I love you for choosing me, for trusting me again. I love you. I love you that now I'm able to break the old patterns and beliefs and thoughts that I have been carrying. And I now believe that things flow easily to me, effortlessly, through divine grace. And as you feel this, see yourself shining, see that divine light pouring into every cell of your body. You feel so relaxed and expansive, and see that money coming in easily through different channels. Allow the divine to guide you. Don't keep limitations on your thoughts, and see yourself expanding with abundance, ease, and flow. Your body completely relaxed around money. There's an openness and expansiveness. And say to yourself, I am safe to receive the money. I am open to receiving abundance. Money flows easily into my life. I am safe and calm around money. I feel so protected, guided, and supported around money. Money is always blessing me, my life, every situation in my life. Money only multiplies. Whenever it comes, it only multiplies and comes. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Opportunities come. There's comfort, there's ease, financial peace in every way possible. I feel abundant in unimaginable ways. I'm attracting wealth, health, and growth. Thank you so much. Now take a deep breath in. Breathe in that divine flow and breathe out any kind of lingering fear, doubt, and insecurity back. Breathe in the divine grace and breathe out any kind of fear. Let the divine grace flow to you. See yourself financially secure. And then thank the divinity, the divine within you. Thank yourself for being present here today. Slowly rub your palms together. Rub your face, your whole body, and gently come back to the present moment. And open your eyes. How are you all feeling?
Great.
Thank you. Thank you, Harshada.
Yeah, very calm.
Thank you.
And
Thank you, Ma.
supported.
Yes, absolutely. If you feel you are supported, money will definitely support you. Yes, it's the
You actually
energy.
answered every insecurity I had about money.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for your response.
Yeah, I was going to say the same and ask, like, how could you think of those thoughts in the initial part of the meditation? I felt this is, you were speaking what exactly goes on in my mind every single time I think of money.
Yes, absolutely. When we have too many fears about spending money, receiving money, that is what happens. Money is too scared to come into your life. So
Mm-hmm.
let's be expansive, let the money flow, and even give out that money thinking that it's going to go out and come back, multiply and come back to us, right? So that's how we bless money. Every time you spend money and receive money, just say arigato. Arigato is a magical word. Every time you spend and receive, just say that, and you will see that money is multiplying, and you are calm. Your nervous system has to be calm around money. That's when money will flow. Yes. So, thank you so much, everybody, for joining this meditation today. I'll be doing more such meditations, and of course, messages will keep coming out in the group. So, thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed this meditation and see you all next time.
Really
Thank you
good.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, we
Thank
have to
you.
say just
Thank
arigato
you.
or arigato in, arigato out. Uh,
You can simply say arigato.
Okay, sure.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
How to join
Trupti?
the group actually?
Sorry.
How
Uh,
to join the group? I just joined from Instagram link.
okay, you've joined from the Instagram. Sheetal, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can you just drop the group link over here on the chat?
Sure, I'll do that. I'll do that. Yeah.
Yes. So you can just wait. I will just, she will just drop the group link and then you can just join the link. Yes.
Trupti, will you be sharing this recording?
Yes, it'll be put up on YouTube
Okay.
and we
Thank
will
you so
share the
much.
link on the group.
Thank you. It's a great way to do meditation in the morning.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.